Officers are searching for a known shoplifter actively stealing from the store.
Are you guys wanting him trespass?
I want him trespass, but he also has all my merchandise on himself.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, what?
Merchandise on it.
Merchandise, okay.
He was just back here, so I don't know where he put it like now. Because he's been kind of pacing back and forth in this bathroom. Wait. It's this gentleman straight back over there. Wait. I thought he was right there. Ah, dang.
Slippery, huh?
He is. Oh, he's that way. That's where just let me know.
Oh, you did see?
He's right there.
Blue
Yeah.
coat. My friend. Hey. Hey, buddy. My friend. Hey, I need to talk to you, okay? Hey, they don't want you in here. Okay. This is the store. You're not in any criminal trouble or anything. They want you to leave, so it's our duty to do that. Yeah, the store wants you to leave, okay?
Yeah.
Is this your coat, or is this one that's from the store?
Well, I was just wondering what the conversation was about this, yeah?
Is this his coat, or?
No, it has my tags.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take it off.
Okay. We're just gonna take that off. Looks like this is here. So you're gonna come out with me,
Well, I'm
okay?
talking to him. It's just a store.
Oh, yeah.
There's no reason to touch you.
Listen.
I haven't stolen anything.
Listen.
I haven't
I'm
stolen
just gonna
anything.
detain you, okay?
I haven't stolen.
Okay. You're just being detained right now, okay?
I haven't stolen anything. Please.
Hey, this doesn't need to be.
You have no right to cuff me. I
Yes, we
haven't
do.
stolen anything.
Man, stop. Come on, knock it off.
Look, go. I haven't stolen anything. Fucking stop.
Let go!
You're not arresting me. Not f***ing today.
One resisting. Let go of my
I'm
leg!
not violating
Let
the law.
go of my
I promise you.
Let go
Please do
of
not
my
arrest
leg!
me. I have not violated the law. I promise. I promise.
Let go of my leg
I
right
haven't
now!
violated the law. You have no right to touch me.
You are gonna get another charge if you do
I'm-
not let go of my leg.
And they are unhand me.
Let go of
Unhand me, damn it.
flat on the ground.
Let go of me.
Lay flat on the
No.
ground!
Let go of me. You no goddamn right to arrest me. I'm not f***ing stolen a goddamn thing.
Well, you weren't gonna get arrested. Now you're going to be.
No, I'm not. You're f***ing fired.
You're under arrest.
Get the hell off of me.
No.
Who the hell do you think you are? Go of me. Unhand me now. Now, goddammit. Let go. You have no f***ing right to touch me.
Stop.
I haven't stolen a goddamn thing.
Stop.
You f***ing prove it right this instant. You can't arrest me until you've proven to someone that I've stolen.
So here's the deal. You're under
You are-
arrest.
You have your shit.
Yep, let's go.
I have nothing.
You
I
go.
have a jacket. I right on that desk. You don't have a Let me go. That's what I'm saying.
We're not pulling up your pants.
I have. Let's
walk.
go. You have no right to f***ing touch me. You have no right to no f***ing possession of me. I'm a goddamn adult. And a professional. You have no right to touch me. Now let me go. Let me go. Go to a car or something. All right.
You are going to a car.
I'm not going in right
You
now.
are going into a car.
I'll take these cuffs off.
So I know you're not even recorded.
Okay, well that part's okay, but you don't trust me.
No, we're not uncuffing you.
Yes, you need to.
No, no.
You
right,
really
take
do
a breath,
trust
take
me.
a breath, take a
I'll
breath.
turn that
I'll
shit off.
switch it.
This is violating the law in the state of Washington.
It's not.
Yes,
It's not.
it is.
It's
I'm a
not.
goddamn NAC.
I don't.
I'm a cop. NAC. Look me up immediately.
He's good. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Take my cuffs off while you look me up. That's how it works.
No, we're not taking the cuff
Yes,
off. That's
because
not
I
how
am
it works.
upstanding
You decided to
member of
fight
this
us in
community.
the store.
I do no f***ing right to touch
Get in
me.
the car.
Look me up right
in
the
the-
f***. Look me up immediately.
Oh
My
my God,
name.
God, oh my God.
Look up my name. Look up who I am, is what I'm saying. Look me up. There's no right to arrest me.
Do you have any napkins, Glenn?
I might have some in the back of my car. You want to check? You have some? All right, so you are under arrest. At this time, you have the
I
right
am
to remain
not.
silent.
Open
Anything
the
you say
fucking
can be
door,
used
you
against you in the law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. You will be appointed to have one to represent you before questioning if you wish. Do you understand these rights if I have explained them to you?
That's No.
Do you, having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to us?
Down the vibrant in the basket, he loves the bone.
Do you want to spit sauce for him so when you have to take him out of the car?
Probably. He's gonna spit at you, Jake.
Well, he's going to county, so I don't know if custody's going to want to take him there or not.
Okay. Other than that, are you guys both okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing trespassing initially. Didn't want
Yeah.
to leave.
But yeah, he just wouldn't leave.
Okay. Okay.
And we were like, it doesn't have to go like this.
Right.
And then he just turned on Jake, and
Okay.
he like tensed up, and we were like, no, you're not gonna tense up and try and like
Yeah.
get on us.
Did he assault you in there too? Not that it
He
matters.
was kicking the shit out of
Yeah,
me.
because I couldn't tell if he did or not. I was just had his arm.
And then
Okay.
he was grabbing on the back of my leg
So-
and wouldn't let go. That's why
Are
I
you
said,
okay?
let go of me. Yeah.
So-
So I mean, I think I'm okay.
We're gonna we need someone to do a PC quickly for the county.
Yeah,
and
that's.
I can take him straight there. I don't know.
I would suggest go straight there.
Yeah,
And let him know that he spit on officers.
yeah, I will.
And that would be the assault 3 that he's going to county for that.
So I'll see trespass 2.
Yeah, that stuff is definitely tertiary. So the
Yeah.
assault 3 is what we'll get him into county for.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll get you to your car.
Yeah.
And we can
All right.
start working
Thanks,
on.
Amanda, for
Wait,
coming.
before you
Yeah.
leave-
Aren't you glad you came?
Before we leave, we gotta get our camera off your car.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's right.
And don't worry about buckling him. Just pull it. Yeah. Don't worry about buckling him, and if he's gonna be fighting like that and kicking. So, okay.
Good.
You're good.
I'm
Did
good.
he have anything else on him, in him, back
He was wearing a coat of theirs. I don't
Yeah,
that we
Do
took
they not know
off.
who he is?
They don't know.
He'll be
He-
booked as a John Doe at this point.
Probably. I don't think he's gonna ID himself. I'll see if I can get him to say, but he
Okay.
didn't have ID on him or
Okay.
anything.
Let's get going on this super phone for that.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming. Yeah.
Sheriff's office,
Hey,
Thomas
David,
County, report immediately.
What's up, fellas? You okay? Disturbance has gone rough.
Dude, we were just like, give us the coat back to Value Village, and he's like, "F you," and we're like, give us the coat, and we're gonna walk out, do paperwork, and get you out of here. And he just like started like tensing up and like went to grab at Jake.
Yeah, I think you should probably go get checked out or at least fill out the injury report. We got to do an injury report or an
I mean,
exposure
he-
report.
He spit. He popped a loogie and spit. I just don't know how much it went in my face,
That's
in
all
my
right.
eye.
Any
in my mouth.
any blood or anything like that?
There's blood all over him.
Okay.
He's accusing me of committing domestic violence. He said I committed assault. That's a f***ing lie. He's basing that on no record. That's not a criminal record. You violated the law on that. You unsealed a record that was not unsealed. That's civilian code. That means you're a civilian officer. And you are an officer anyway. On duty.
Hold on for the door for a second here.
Whenever you're ready, yeah.
Any alcohol today? Any drugs? You have any health issue? You know, diabetic, high blood pressure, or anything like that? We'll have him check you inside.
Yeah. All right, very good. Come on out.
That's awesome.
He was charged with third-degree assault, resisting arrest, and obstructing a law enforcement officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.